How to send money from Cash App to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are two ways to do it, and the first way is that you use a bank account. Like for this, you will have to first send money from your Cash App to bank account, and after that add that bank account to your PayPal, and after that just transfer from your bank account to PayPal. Now let's see how we can transfer to our bank account from Cash App. For that, just simply go to your profile and scroll down. Over here you will be able to find the option of linked banks. Just click on it, then select the option of link debit card. Provide the details of your bank card, and this way you would be able to transfer the money from Cash App to your bank account. And now just send the money from your bank account to PayPal. And the other option is that you use your Cash App card. Just add the details of your Cash App card on PayPal, and this way you would be able to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. And the other option is that you just copy the details of routing number and all the other details of PayPal and add them on your Cash App. For that, just go to the home section at the bottom left hand side and click on Cash Out. After that, just provide the details of your PayPal, and this way you would be able to link Cash App with PayPal. Now just simply send the money, basically cash out, to PayPal, and this way you would be able to send money from Cash App to PayPal. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.